Hey everybody, this is your boy Andrew. Today I'm gonna be unboxing this new laptop, HP laptop that I got it from the HP showroom today. It cost me 36,000 for me. So let's go into it. This is the HP 15bs579tx series and it is i3 6th generation. The processor is 2 GHz, 1 TB, 8 GB RAM, which is DDR4. That is pretty smooth, and it is a free DOS, and the display is 15.6 display, which is HD, not full HD, and the graphics card is AMD Radeon graphics card of 2 GB, which the series of the graphics card is R5M330. And yeah, this is the configuration that comes with this laptop, and let's go and unbox this laptop. Okay, we just finished unboxing it, and let's go and see the design of the laptop. At this side we got two light indicator. One is for the power and hard disk, SD card, USB drive, and on the other side we got power jack and HDMI port and two USB and one microphone or headphone jack. And let's go and open it. Okay, we got a protector from the screen, I guess so. And the keypad are smooth, it's okay. And the power button and the mouse track, mouse button, and you can see the Intel i3 stickers and the graphics card stickers also, and it's pretty good. This is the design of this laptop, and the next is the adapter that I got with this cable. And I got 5 things with this laptop when I bought it. This is pretty cool thing that I got, like a selfie stick which is Bluetooth wireless, and a mouse, a cleaner of the laptop, and laptop skin, and last, the laptop HP logo bag that I got this with this laptop. Okay guys, that's the unboxing of this laptop. Guys, I will be doing a video on this laptop, like a review after using it for like some days. I will doing this review on this laptop. I will be like trying to install some games on this and see how this works. And do subscribe my channel and do like and comment, and that's it.